As you may have noticed, the interest rates on the popular instruments on the Nigerian exchange are crashing. I noticed this trend in December 2024. This month, the interest rate of FGN savings bond for the 3-year tenor fell to 15.4%, while the rate for the 364-day Treasury bills fell to 16.5%. In this video, I'll dive into the latest performance of the Nigerian instruments and the way forward. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Flo and this is a channel where we discuss money matters that concern us as investors. I am an investor sharing my experiences investing in Nigeria. I am not a financial advisor, so please read the disclaimer here so that you know how we roll on this channel. On the 4th of August, I posted the DMO offer for subscription for the August 2025 edition of FGN Savings Bond. And I'm glad that those who saw that post noticed the sharp drop in the interest rates. I foresaw this last year when I made this video, and since then I've been shouting from the rooftops. I've been shouting and saying keen on the high rates because this will not last forever. I have been chatting with a lot of you that tapped into the high rates, and I am sure you're patting yourselves on the back right now because you jumped in when you did. Check out the historical rates from January 2024. We all watched the rates for the 3-year tenor FGN savings bond go from as low as 12% in January 2024 to settling at around 18% in April 2024. It dipped a little bit in July 2024, came back up in August. A lot of people relaxed in August thinking that these never seen before high rates will last forever. Mbao, the rate peaked at 18% in February 2025, and since then it has been on a downward trend with 15.4% in the most recent one this August. The next opportunity to invest in FGN savings bond comes up on the 1st of September 2025. If you have never invested in FGN savings bond and you want to invest in this September edition, you need to first of all register with a stockbroker and get a CSCS account if you do not have this already. Without these, you cannot invest in FGN savings bond. I don't know how many times I will say it. I have a boot camp. If you want to participate in that boot camp, go to the registration page. Please read that page carefully to ensure that you qualify for the boot camp and to get the information about the boot camp before making a payment. The Nigerian financial institutions are very strict about these requirements. There is no entry through the back door if you do not meet all the prerequisites. So please make sure you have all the requirements before you make a payment. There's no refund after payment. If you have any doubts about anything on that page, please feel free to send me an email to clear your doubts before you make a payment. There is no refund after payment, I am begging you. Another popular instrument that we invest in whose rates are also crashing at this time is Treasury bills. Here's the historical rates for the 364-day Nigerian Treasury bills from January 2024 till date. Treasury bills rates went from 8.4% in January 2024, overtook FGN savings bond in February 2024, shooting up to 19%. Since March 2024, it has been in the 20s, peaking at 23.5% in November 2024. Since then, it has been trending downwards, and last week, yes, there was an auction last week on the 6th of August. It closed at 16.5%. In the light of the fact that the monetary policy rate, that's MPR, is not crashing with these interest rates, what is your opinion about the crash in interest rates? Please let me know below. If Treasury bills is the only instrument you want to invest in Nigeria, you do not have to go through a stockbroker. You can do that through any commercial bank in Nigeria. So contact your account officer, okay? But if you want to invest in both FGN savings bonds and Treasury bills, you definitely need to go through a stockbroker. If not for anything, for the FGN savings bond, for that one you must use a stockbroker. If you do not have a stockbroker and you don't know how investing in Nigeria works, you have watched lots of videos on my channel about these things and you still need some hand holding, then the bootcamp is definitely for you. So if these rates are falling sharply like this, what should we be investing in now? The money market funds of the various financial institutions look very good. They still look good. Here are the current yields for the major money market funds. Stanbic Money Market Fund is currently at 19.38%. Meristem Money Market Fund currently returns 20.9%. AfriInvest Plutus Fund has a year-to-date return of 17.7%, but watch out, I expect these money market funds to follow suit in the crash because they all invest in treasury bills. See Stanbic's money market fund, they said the fund is invested 100% in high quality short-term securities such as treasury bills, commercial papers, fixed deposits that are rated BBB and above. Meristem Money Market Fund is constituted under a trust deed and invests in low-risk short-term securities such as government securities, that's treasury bills, right? Bank placements and others, including commercial papers and promissory notes. And in their summary, they said that the benchmark for this fund is the 91-day treasury bills. Nobody can run away from these short-term instruments because no matter how we look at it, no matter how much we shout inflation, 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 that's still the best paying instrument. Or do you have any other one that you're investing in that we do not know about? Please let us know. Share in the community. No gatekeeping here, you know. We're all sharing information so that we can all win together. All right? This is a good time to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you have not done so that whenever I have something new to share on this channel, you will not miss out. I always have something new to share on this channel. AfriInvest Plutus Fund invests in short-term, highly liquid investments like treasury bills, again, commercial papers and banks acceptances. So you can see with me that all these are interlinked. While it looks like mutual funds are still high up there, the treasury bills that it's falling is what they invest in. And since the returns they give to you and I when we invest with them is the money they make from treasury bills, their own returns will follow the downward trend because they will not pay you out of pocket. Here we can see that already there's a drop in yield for Stanbic Money Market Fund. It's already down by 3.15% in this month of August. So what next can we invest in if all these things are falling? The Nigerian stock market has been rallying for some time now, and those who made early entry are making a lot of money. And that is only if you have been actively traded in the shares. If the value of your shares is only increasing on paper, you have not bought or sold so many shares, you know, back and forth, buy, sell to make money during this period, then you have not made any money. The value of your shares is only increasing on paper. You have to buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell for you to make money. So if it crashes now and you have not made any money, you're back to square one. But everything that I want to share about the bullish rallying of the Nigerian Stock Exchange is the subject of another video. Do well to subscribe and enable notifications so that you do not miss out when I share everything in my future videos. What are you investing in these days? Please share with the community. We are here to help each other, right? Share with the community. Don't forget to sign up for the bootcamp if you need it. Registration closes this Friday. Bye. See you in my next video.